Abi na ko nag-uban kag tagom. Abi na ko naggumog tagom.
He has school, remember, Mom? I don't have school.
You went to tagom, Dodong?
Oh.
Ah, nakauli na mo?
Oh.
Unsay Unsay
Opo.
gituro ni tita sa imo?
Opo.
Oh, always remember sa unsang award.
Opo. Just be careful. They will poop on you.
What is that, Johanna?
It's a baby bird. It's just so cute. No, this is just the normal sizes of the baby, of the real birds. Just gotta search what kind of kind of bird.
Little one.
You could search it on Google. Just take a picture of it. Yeah.
Make sure dili na malupad, nak.
Opo. It will not fly, right? It can't fly. Well, it can't fly, but it can jump.
Wait, can I hold the tiny one?
0.
Can I hold the big one?
This one is so cute.
Oh no.
0. 0 is just nothing.
His tiny claws are so sharp.